up, guys? Woo! Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Night ride sa gabi, Wednesday night. Time check, I believe it's maybe 9:30ish. Akit tayong Red Rock sa ano lang tayo pupunta. Doon lang tayo sa Overlook. I think Renan and Teo will be joining us tonight. Galing lang tayo sa birthday dinner ni Jax. Happy birthday, Jack, and happy birthday Tita May bukas. Let's do a quick ride. Samahan nyo kami sandali. And we'll see you when we get to the meeting point. Chevron tayo ngayon sa West Charleston. Yon, trade bikes R90 baby. Woo! So we ended up being kaming dalawa lang ni Kuya Renan ang magra-ride tonight sa Red Rock. Nagpalit kami ng bike, gamit niya si Monster. Gamit ko ang R90 niya, na R90 Pure. Ito yung ginamit ni Tom Cruise sa isa niyang Mission Impossible movie. Yeah, I know, it's nice. Para ako naka-multi.
Yung main yellowish na. Kailangan ko palitan yung bulb dyan.
Yeah, it's good. Cars, wala masyadong mga motor again. Sa bagay, masyado nang madilim. Sarap.
Did you feel the
Tam bike. And we're back in the city. That's it for us tonight. Konting tambay lang tayo sa Red Rock. Ang mga nakapunta, nakasama natin tonight is si Kuya Renan gamit yung kanyang BMW R90. At si Kuya Bjorn gamit niya yung kanyang Multistrada Pikes Peak. Alright, that's it guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Maraming salamat for coming with me today. Hopefully ma-upload natin to. Hindi ko alam kung meron tayong vlog for this. Wala naman tayo masyado na pagkwentuhan. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Until the next one, God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.